Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Sometimes people will ask me, how do you play earnings? And in general, I won't say this is always the case, but for the most part, my answer would be I don't. And this is a good example of why. This is the NASDAQ futures that we are looking at. After today's bell, the close of the stock market, we had both Tesla and Alphabet, otherwise known as Google, reporting their earnings. Now, some people like to see what's going to happen, when these bigger companies showcase what they did in the last quarter. As you can see here, once the market closed, this shot up. This is a 2-minute time frame over here. This is 5, this is 10. So shot up, then huge range on this 2-minute candle, shot back down. Third candle, shot back up, and then, worked its way down and just was kind of choppy after that, ending when the futures market closed down here. So this is a perfect example of why I like to just avoid those type of scenarios when it's so volatile, so crazy. Now, does that mean that sometimes I will miss some really amazing moves where it like goes, 1,000 points in a minute? Yeah. Am I okay with that? Yeah. Let's look overall on the daily time frame. This is the NASDAQ futures once again. And this is the dreaded spinning top. I just talked about this in yesterday's video, but the daily candle is completely indecisive. Came up here, went down here, and ended just essentially in the middle. It's not much better than a doji when that happens. So lots of indecision. We'll have to see as we continue on through this week of earnings if we are going to continue down, continue up, or just drift sideways for a while. I'm going to link you over to an opt-in page for my upcoming wealth webinar. I'd love to see you there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.